Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to set up bank account in FreeAgent software. So once you come into the banking menu, you will get this kind of display. So this is connect your bank to FreeAgent, means this is bank feed options. Okay, here I am going to explain how to add manually bank account. So here add new account, you will get three options: bank account, credit card and PayPal account. So let's create bank account. So once you select the bank account, you will get this kind of display. Here you have to mention the name of the bank. Okay, so HSBC Bank. Then after you need to select the currency status. Then after, if it's personal account, then you have to mark this option. And the second option is make this my primary account. So I mark this option. Now in optional details, you have to mention bank name, account number, then after routing number, that is short code. Now show these details on my invoices. So I select this option. In case of opening balances, you have to mention the opening balances, and this is guest explanation. So once you upload the statement, it will automatically select the particular ledger on the basis of previous explanations. Okay. After all this, you have to select create new account. Once you click here, your account will be created and you will get this kind of display. Okay, so this is HSBC bank account, and here you will get option of upload statements, enable bank feed. Okay, then after edit details, if you want to modify any banking details, then you can select this option. And in more option, you will get add transaction, guess rule and delete account. Okay, so this is basic video how to create bank account in FreeAgent. Kindly subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.